Cardano holders, this is not fun, but we have to talk about it. We have to get into what's happening right now for ADA. Also, I do want to get into some positive kind of comments. And if you do hold XRP, this video will also kind of hit home as well. Let's get into some of the comments from Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson. On a day of doom and gloom, let's add some light to the forecast. All right. And if you do not know who I am, my name is Mark. We talk crypto every single day on the channel. If you have not hit the like button or subscribed down below, please do so right now on YouTube. Also, you can find my X page, which I do post over there from time to time. So I appreciate all the support, and let's get into it. Okay. So as we do talk about what's happening today, please remember, guys, none of this is financial advice. I think the world has really taken notice to the Michael Saylor stuff going on involving Bitcoin, 85,000. Now Ethereum down below 2750 as it trades at 2754. And like I said, guys, as I talk pricing and all of this stuff impacting the crypto market, none of this is financial advice. Always be sure to do your own research and due diligence, okay? The crypto that we came here to talk about, though, Cardano trading at 37 cents, still falling down after we've seen an 11% decrease on the day. So basically, we were flat on the week, and then all of a sudden, in the last 24 hours, it's been absolute turmoil for ADA, okay? And this also does piggyback off of the concept that we've seen almost a 40% decline over the last 30 days. It's not pretty, okay? But like I've said in previous videos, and this is not just to kind of fake everybody out, I'm trying to be as objective as I can because I am a Cardano holder as well as other cryptos. It's not just Cardano, okay? So it's nothing intrinsically they're doing wrong that's promoting this crash or whatever this come down is that you want to deem in terms of a title. It's just kind of the reality that the market sucks right now, okay? So we're going to try to get through this as best as we can, and the way that I want to talk about it today, we are going to look into Hoskinson teasing a little XRP plan for 2026. That gets me excited. I'm a big fan of XRP as well. Calling the XRP holders friendly, okay? And this is kind of interesting to note due to the fact that the recent, not so much recent, but in the recent past, I should say, the XRP army battle within Charles Hoskinson and the bad blood, if you will, that has always been existent, okay? But as we do look at this, Hoskinson goes on a live stream, okay, highlighting his positive relationship with the XRP community and the plans revealed for Cardano holders for the next year, okay? And this is where we look into piggybacking off of the midnight display, the release of Midnight, okay? The XRP ledger is one of the 8 blockchains supported within the Midnight airdrop. That's a whole nother conversation that we could have another day, okay? But as we do look into it, and guys, also, if you have not already claimed your night allocations, December 8th, this is where the full distribution and trading will begin for the night supply, okay? Next, this is what we wanted to talk about. The evolved relationship with the XRP army, okay? The clash really went back to the controversy back from ETHgate as the alleging Ethereum team that influenced the SEC's decision to target Ripple and XRP. That's been the bad blood. Hoskinson has always debunked these claims, calling them more of a conspiracy theory versus actual fact. But now he openly describes the XRP community as quite friendly, okay? So not just words, he has backed this up with actions, okay? Not just within the Midnight airdrop, but also sharing the fun 2026 plan for XRP. This is where he reaffirmed Cardano's plan to build a DeFi layer on XRP, allowing holders to earn yield, okay? Platforms such as the Flare network already has done this with XRP. And Hoskinson, this initiative also does speak into volumes into what he's planning on doing with expanding the DeFi opportunities, not just for XRP holders, but also Cardano, saying it will be a lot of fun, okay? I hope so, because right now what we're seeing here from the price action is not really fun unless you're shorting it. But this was the actual post from the live stream Angry Crypto Show back on November 29th. As we've said, the XRPL community is quite friendly. That is why we airdrop to that community. We're going to add a DeFi layer to XRP to get yield for XRP. That'll be a lot of fun. We'll come back to that conversation in 2026. Okay, so there you have it. Those were the comments from Charles Hoskinson. So leave a comment down below. What do you think about that? There is a lot of things to talk about. I know it's a bad day. The charts are down, but also there's a lot of analysts out there expecting and predicting a bullish year for Cardano. This is just kind of short term, right? We've been through these slumps before. Nobody has that crystal ball to predict where crypto is going to head. But as we've gotten to the comments of Hoskinson, and I'll reiterate his stance, right? He says 2026 will be a breakout year for Midnight, for Leos, as well as the Cardano DeFi that, for my money, is the #1 catalyst for me and how I view Cardano in the short to intermediate term, okay? So wanted to give you guys that quick update. Leave a comment down below. What are your thoughts on this piece? Do you think that XRP and Cardano, that relationship can pay dividends for us in the long run? Curious to hear your guys' thoughts, but as always, I want to thank you for giving me a couple minutes of your time. This is my breakdown, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.